Marigold book of class 4 and the chapter name is The Little Fir Tree. So let's start reading this chapter. Sethi the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Sethi looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. Soon the rain stopped. Sethi was happy that he did not get wet. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for 4 wishes and I will grant them, said the magician. The sad fir tree had leaves like needles, and no birds ever made their nests on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves, like my other friends. Next morning, its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I wish I had gold leaves. As goats do not eat gold leaves. When the little fir tree woke up, the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. 2 men came along and stole the gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead. Men do not steal glass leaves. The next day its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. At night the wind blew. Ooh. All the glass leaves broke. Oh dear, said the fir tree. I like my old needle-like leaves best. For goats do not eat them. No man can steal them. The wind will do them no harm. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. New words. Pretty. Needles. Leaves. Gold. Stole. Reading is fun. 1. Tick the correct answer. A. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves. But a goat came along and ate them. All the leaves got wet in rain. A man stole them. B. The fir tree was sad.
The fir tree was sad
Because it had yellow leaves.
because it had yellow leaves.
Because it had needle-like leaves.
Because it had needle-like leaves.
Because it was very short.
Because it was very short.
See,
See,
the fir tree was not happy
the fir tree was not happy
with the gold leaves
with the gold leaves
because the goats came
because the goats came
and ate them up.
and ate them up.
A man stole them.
A man stole them.
The gold leaves broke.
The gold leaves broke.
Word building.
Word building.
1.
1.
By changing the circled word to its opposite,
By changing a circle words its opposite,
rewrite these sentences.
rewrite the sentences.
One has been done for you.
One has been done for you.
A.
A.
I carry a light bag to school every day.
I carry a light bag to school every day.
I carry a heavy bag to school every day.
I carry a heavy bag to school every day.
B.
B.
Rina won the race.
Rina won the race.
Blank.
Blank.
C.
C.
I love eating vegetables.
I love eating vegetables.
Blank.
Blank.
D.
D.
This glass of milk is full.
This glass of milk is full.
Blank.
Blank.
E.
E.
The old man is wise.
The old man is wise.
Blank.
Blank.
2.
2.
Now give the opposite of the words below
Now give the opposite word to below
by adding an or im.
by adding on or in.
Happy,
Happy.
polite,
Polite.
seen,
Seen.
proper,
Proper.
lucky,
Lucky.
possible,
Possible.
important,
Important.
perfect,
Perfect.
healthy,
Healthy.
safe,
Safe.
patient,
Patient.
pure.
Pure.
3.
3.
Rita loved her dog Seru.
Rita loved her dog Seru.
Every day,
Every day,
Seru would go out of the house
Seru must go out of the house
and come back himself.
and come back himself.
But one day he did not come home.
But one day he did not come home.
Rita looked everywhere for him.
Rita looked everywhere for him.
Tears rolled down her cheeks.
Tears rolled down her cheeks.
Seru was lost.
Seru was lost.
He was nowhere to be found.
He was nowhere to be found.
Rita was crying when she reached home.
Rita was crying when she reached home.
She got into her bed.
She got into her bed.
All of a sudden something jumped on her.
All of a sudden something jumped on her.
Can you guess who it was?
Can you guess who it was?
Rita was very happy.
Rita was very happy.
Give the opposites of the words in blue.
Give the opposite of the words in blue.
Let's write.
Let's write.
1.
1.
Write the passage below
Write the passage below.
using capital letters where necessary.
Using capital letters necessary.
1.
1.
One Saturday afternoon,
One Saturday afternoon,
Amarjeet and his little sister Rani
Amarjeet and his little sister Rani
went for a picnic to India Gate.
went for a picnic to India Gate.
There they saw ducks,
There they saw ducks,
water and their friend Raj.
water and their friend Raj.
2.
2.
Oh dear,
Oh dear,
said the fir tree,
said the fir tree.
I like my old needle-like leaves best,
I like my old needle-like leaves best.
for goats do not eat them,
For goats do not eat them,
and no man can steal them.
and no man can steal them.
Let's talk.
Let's talk.
1.
1.
Look at the picture below.
Look at the picture below.
In the yellow box,
In the yellow box,
there are 8 things.
there are 8 things.
You can see 6 of them in the picture.
You can see 6 of them in the picture.
You cannot see the other 2.
You can see the other 2.
Write down the 4 things
Write down the 4 things
that you can see.
that you can see.
Ducks,
Duck,
mat,
mat,
dog,
dog,
girl,
girl,
boy,
boy,
tree,
tree,
fountain,
fountain,
flowers.
flower.
2. Look at the picture again.
Look at the picture again.
Describe the picture.
Describe the picture.
One time.
One time.
1.
1.
A Ajit loved flowers.
Ajit loved flowers.
He always wanted to have a garden
He always wanted to have a garden
for himself.
for himself.
Mohan,
Mohan,
his friend, gave him an idea.
his friend, gave him an idea.
He said,
He said,
"Why?
"Why?
We can have a garden in a dish."
We can have a garden in a dish."
Ha ha!
Ha ha!
Ajit laughed.
Ajit laughed.
A garden in a dish?
A garden in a dish?
Yes.
Yes.
These gardens are tiny gardens
These gardens are tiny gardens
planted in a shallow dish.
planted in a shallow dish.
We must first put sand,
We must first put sand,
manure and pebbles in a dish.
manure and pebbles in a dish.
Plant very tiny plants in it
Plant very tiny plants in it
and place the dish on the windowsill.
and place the dish on the windowsill.
2.
2.
Glass breaks easily when it is dropped.
Glass breaks easily when dropped.
Do you think a mud flower pot,
Do you think a mud flower pot,
a glass spoon,
a glass spoon,
a wooden table,
a wooden table,
a plastic cup,
a plastic cup,
books or your plastic water bottle
books or your plastic water bottle
can break easily?
can break easily?
Circle the things that can.
Circle the things that can.
Spoon,
Spoon,
table,
table,
flower pot,
flower pot,
plastic water bottle,
plastic water bottle,
books,
books,
cup.
cup.
3.
3.
Which of the following actions
Which of the following actions
would make others
would make others
happy or unhappy?
happy or unhappy?
Respecting elders,
Respecting elders,
not saying thank you,
not saying thank you,
being polite,
being polite,
playing with friends,
playing with friends,
visiting a sick friend,
visiting a sick friend,
not sharing,
not sharing,
watching television all day,
watching television all day,
telling lies,
telling lies,
being greedy,
playing greedy,
caring for pets,
caring for pets,
getting angry easily,
getting angry easily,
being honest.
being honest,
Actions that make people happy.
actions that make people happy,
Blank.
blank,
Actions that make people unhappy.
actions that make people unhappy.
Let's listen, read and write.
Let's listen, read and write.
There was a thick jungle
There was a big jungle
with beautiful green trees and birds.
with beautiful green trees and birds.
Koel was singing happily.
Koel was singing happily.
Suddenly she heard someone crying.
Suddenly she heard someone crying.
It was her friend,
It was her friend,
the peacock.
the peacock.
She flew to him and asked,
She flew to him and asked,
"Why are you crying?"
"Why are you crying?
"I hate myself.
I hate myself.
I have such ugly feet."
I have such ugly feet.
Some things make you feel happy.
Some things make you feel happy.
Some things make you feel sad.
Some things make you feel sad.
Write a poem on the picture.
Write a poem on the picture.
Let's make a word tree.
Let's make a word tree.
This is how you will do it.
This is how you will do it.
Take a long green sheet of paper
Take a long green sheet of paper
or newspaper.
or newspaper.
Roll it like this.
Roll it like this.
Hold the roll of paper firmly
Hold the roll of paper firmly
in one hand
in one hand
and cut 4 slits from the top
and cut 4 slits from the top
to halfway down the roll.
to halfway down the roll.
Still holding the roll of paper firmly,
Still holding the roll of paper firmly.
bend back the 4 sections
Bend back the 4 sections
of the cut paper.
of the cut paper.
Pull out the branches.
Pull out the branches.
Do this by pulling up the cut section slowly
Do this by pulling out the cut section slowly
and carefully from the center of the roll.
and carefully from the center of the roll.
Write words related to leaves
Write words related to leaves
on the trees
on the trees
and make a word tree.
and make a word tree.
Now make sentences with these words.
Now make sentences with these words.